Hi friend, grab your latte, gather your pens, and let's practice some calligraphy for Valentine's Day. I want this video to be more like if we're sitting in a coffee shop, drinking some lattes and practicing our lettering for Valentine's Day. Now you can follow along with me with my workbook. I will add links to everything, all the pens, and as well as the workbook that I'm using here. And as you can see, I'm adding text and everything for all the brush pens. I wanted to use different brush pens so you can see all the ways that you can work on this workbook. It has 5 different lettering styles and 20 different phrases that you can practice for Valentine's Day, or really any time that you wanna do some love inspired calligraphy. This is perfect for you to create handmade cards or just write love notes to your loved ones and embellish them with beautiful calligraphy. I also wanted to include different styles of lettering, like this block lettering that I'm doing here. And I wanted to do this video in real time because I want to show you how slow you should be going when you're practicing your calligraphy or hand lettering. If you like this video so far, I would love if you can like and subscribe. Also comment below which one of the styles is your favorite, and we're going to be doing different phrases. If you want to see more real-time calligraphy videos, let me know in the comments as well, because I'm trying to incorporate new styles of videos here in my channel. I want these videos to be as helpful to you as possible with your calligraphy and lettering journey, so I appreciate all the input that you have to give. As you can see, this workbook is very beginner friendly because it starts with Monoline Lettering, which you can use any pen that you have available. One of my favorite pens is this PaperMate InkJoy, and each style builds up on the next, so you can practice your calligraphy and lettering. And now it goes a little bit more advanced with brush pens. Now this is the only workbook that I have that it is focused on a theme or a holiday, I should say, like Valentine's Day. Let me know if you would like to see other types of greetings for different types of holidays. I think this will be helpful so you can practice your calligraphy to make cards for every occasion. But I don't know, if you find it interesting or if this is something that you would like to see, let me know in the comments, because I've been thinking of creating a workbook like that, but I don't know if this is something that you guys will like. So definitely comment below and let me know. Now that you practice your Valentine's Day calligraphy, it's time to put it into practice by creating a beautiful handmade card. And I got the perfect video for you right here, where I give you an easy and beautiful Valentine's Day card that you can do with your hand lettering skills. I'll see you there.